Hello, my Mahjong friends. Welcome to the Mah Jongg Class Clinic. In this clinic, I'm here to help you improve your Mahjong game. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or a maven, you'll want to know all about building the hands. Since we just received the 2026 card, I'm going to go through each of the hands. In this video, we'll be going over any like numbers category. Be sure to learn the categories first, the headings, and what you need to collect. Look in the description below as I can teach you what to collect for each category. We're going to build the hands category by category, line by line, and we'll go over in detail how to build the hands by using the parentheses to help us along the way and understand the hands. Make sure you watch all 9 videos on how to build the hands. Before we get started, please support the Mah Jongg Class Channel by hitting the subscribe button, hitting the like button for the content you enjoy, share the video with fellow Mahjong friends and family, comment, I love engaging with you, ask questions, consider giving a thanks of appreciation for my knowledge, my time. I appreciate it. And also email me at mahjongclass@yahoo.com if you have any questions you'd like to share. It means the world to me that you show up each week and watch these videos. I appreciate all your love and support of the Mah Jongg Class Channel. By helping to support the channel, it helps it grow and shows us to create more tutorials and education for free on Mah Jongg Class Channel. Thank you again. We've been lucky enough to be given some discount codes, Mahj Class 10 for Oh My Mahjong and Mahj Co. Please support the Mah Jongg Class Channel by using the discount code Mahj Class 10 to get 10% off your order. In addition, My Fair Mahjong, Charleston Mahjong Club, and Hip Hip Mahjong and Bespoke Mahjong, you can also use the discount code Mahj Class at 10% off. Support the channel by using Mahj Class to get 10% off your order when you shop at My Fair Mahjong, Hip Hip Mahjong, or Charleston Mahjong Club and Bespoke Mahjong. Thank you for using the code and supporting Mah Jongg Class. You can also consider becoming a channel member by making a small monetary donation by clicking join on the home page. There are 3 levels to choose from, and you can pick the one that best fits you. Thank you again for all those who are supporters of the Mah Jongg Class Channel that have chosen to become channel members. Thank you. Although the content is free, it is supportive to become a channel member. Thank you. I always play on ilovemahj, and this is where I'll be building the hands. So please consider joining ilovemahj and using the code CB. You get a 3-week trial, so why not go there and build the hands? It's a great way to improve your game and to get better with skills by playing on ilovemahj. I've been a member since 2021 when they first opened up the site. I enjoy playing on the platform. It's a great way to improve your game and to learn the new 2026 Mahjong card. Use the code CB to get your 3-week trial. Now let's go on and play on ilovemahj and build the hands in the exercise room. On the main page on ilovemahj, to build the hands, we're going to go to play, exercise room. We're building the hands, we're making the hands. You can do it sequential order, which would be category by category, line by line, or you can do random order once you complete it. So let's launch our exercise. And you could start with the 2026. Make sure you change your card and you put in the 2026 card. You can also change your section, and you can pick what section you want to start with first. Today, we're doing any like numbers. In your top right corner, you can exit as well as keep score of how many you get right when building the hands. We're starting the any like numbers category. This is pretty straightforward. You have to collect all one number in different suits. And this is throughout the whole category. Let's start with line number 1 of any like numbers. What's unique about this hand is, for the first time in a long time, we have a sectet. A sectet is 6 of a number, or a wind, or a dragon, or a flower. In this hand, it is a sextet of flowers. We can easily make that because there are 8 flowers. However, the hard part is, are you going to get the 6 flowers you need? In the sextet, you can use jokers, and remember there's 8 jokers. The sextet, you can use up to 6 jokers to fulfill it. As in with any grouping of 3 or more, you can use jokers. When you call for the flowers, you must place up all 6 tiles in order to make it a valid hand. There's 2 kongs of the same number, and you get to choose from the numbers 1 through 9. If you choose the number 8, you must have 8s and 8s in 2 different suits. Let's build this hand. Let's use the number 3. And we'll start with 3 cracks. You must have a kong of 3 cracks. Here's your sextet of flowers, 6 of them, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we use the number 3, so this has to be the number 3. And we've already used the crack suit, so we have the choice of the bams or dots. I'm going to go with the dots, and we need 4 of them, a kong. And this would be a winning hand for line number 1 in any like numbers. We're going to try this again with a different group of numbers. We're going to use the number 7, and I'll start with cracks. 4 7s, the sextet of flowers, and maybe we'll use some jokers this time. We need 6 altogether. You have to expose all 6. Since we used the number 7, we already used cracks. We have a choice of dots or bams. Let's do dots. And the number 7, a kong, 4 of them. In the 7s, you could choose to use a joker, or 2, or 3, or 4. You just slide that joker right in and hug your joker. In these 7s, you can also use jokers and place them within the set so you know where they belong. Validate your hand. Let's move on to line number 2. In line number 2, we are talking about 3 suits because it is 3 colors. We have 2 kongs and a pung of the same number. Again, you get to choose the number from 1 to 9. Each of them have the matching dragon to go with the kongs and the pung. And these are single dragons. So you need 1 of each dragon. That's good to start with during the Charleston. Make sure you have those single tiles. Let's build it. Let's build this one with the number 2. And we'll start with the bams. You need 4 2s. You need the matching dragon, which is the green. Since we chose the number 2, we have to make the rest of the hand with 2s. We'll do the dots. We need 3. The matching dragons to the dot suit is the white or the soap. We use bams and dots. Now we have to use cracks, and we need 4 with the matching dragon of red. And validate. Let's try this again. You want to make sure you have all 3 dragons, and then you have to pick the number you choose. And we're going to choose the number 9 now. We need 4 9s with the matching dragon. Then we need another 3 9s with the matching dragon. We use dots and cracks. The final 9, we need 4 with the matching dragon. In every part of the 9s, you may use jokers. You cannot use jokers for the single dragons. So be sure to obtain those tiles and keep them so you don't discard them, maybe to the left so you don't discard them, and match them up with the suits. And click validate. Our final hand in any like numbers is line number 3. Please look at the lines and how many colors. It's 3 suits. There's 2 kongs, a pair of the same number, with a dragon pair in any dragon. The dragon doesn't have to match anything in the hand or any position in the hand. It has to be a pair of dragons at the end, matching pair. It does not have to match the first Kong. Let's build it. You're going to start with a pair of flowers, no jokers. And just keep in mind, this is not a concealed hand, this is exposed. You can call for anything that is 3 or more. Then you pick a number. Let's go with the number 8. We need to have 4 8s, then a pair of 8s in a different suit, and then a Kong of 8s, 4, with any dragon. The dragon could be 2 green, 2 red, or 2 white. It doesn't matter which dragon you use, it does have to be a pair. This hand has 3 pairs in it: the dragon, the pair of 8s, and the flowers. You are not allowed to use jokers or call for an exposure unless it's your last tile for Mahjong. These 8s can be made up of, let's get rid of one of them, up to 4 jokers. As many jokers as you have can fulfill that grouping. Let's validate. And we've completed the any like numbers section. I hope you're enjoying building the hands line by line, category by category, which is helping you understand how to do so. Come back often and refer to each of the videos on each of the categories so that you can learn how to build the hands. If you don't have a set that you can put out and play, join ilovemahj and use the code CB and you can build the hand in their exercise room. Thank you for joining me, and watch the next video on our next category. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.